Hey, Matt Capell here. Hey, I just wanted to show you a quick tip that'll make your hardwood floors last a lot longer. This would also be good for tile floors or vinyl floors or things of that nature. So in like a kitchen dining area with chairs, it's really important to put felt pads underneath your chairs. So you can buy these, I sell them, you can get them at pretty much any grocery store. But basically you just take them, peel that off and put it on the bottom. So, and it's good to periodically check your chairs. So like this is a really good example. This one right here, if you look at it, it's kind of getting dirty. So you have to periodically check them, make sure they're clean, or if they're not doing well, just pull them off and put a new one on. And it'll help protect your wood floors from scratches and dings and mess ups. It's also good to protect tile from scratching and also putting dings and scratches in laminate wood or other things like that. So like I said, periodically check the bottom. Any furniture or anything you have on hardwood or things like that, it's always best to have felt under it. So it'll keep it lasting longer and looking better. And these are relatively inexpensive. So thanks so much, appreciate it, and have a wonderful day.